Welcome to Verychat, ladies and gentlemen, a cryptocurrency mining airdrop project that we have been on for a couple of months. And in the other video I made, I was talking about the migration. People were asking how they can manually migrate. Of course, there was no such option as for users to migrate their tokens themselves, but they announced that from the 10th of August they will start migrating, right? So today is 11th, and I didn't see mine on the 10th, but I actually saw some people sharing screenshots of their migrated tokens, so it looks like mine has come. So let's check the charts. So talking about this option here on the menu bar, so let's click on the Verychat, and this here I'm received on the 11th, that's today at 9 a.m. and it says great news, your mine Very has been successfully migrated. Your Very has been converted into on-chain coins and sent to your Very wallet, right? You can check it in your wallet right now. A few things to note: the migrated amount is based on a snapshot taken right before the migration, right? Your in-app mining balance now shows close to zero. A small amount mined after the snapshot may remain. Nothing has been lost. Thank you for your patience, right? From the menu bar, you can click on wallet. So you unlock with your password. If you have not created your Very wallet already, I'll put together a tutorial on how to create a Very wallet. I'll leave the link to that in the description box of this video, so you jump on it to catch up. So this is it. A few hours from now, if you come here, you will find your Verychain balance zero, but here it is, right? I don't know any buyer, I don't know any seller, but if for any reason you want to send your Very token to another user, you can click on receive and send buttons to transact, talking about sending and receiving, right? So that's all it on Verychain. Continue mining. I'm not sure what the information about the tokens we are mining is, but we'll definitely get to know what's happening to the new tokens we are mining after the migration, right? So let's check the official Twitter page for launch update. You shared this 1 day ago. Very migration in progress. Your mine Very is on its way to your Very wallet, right? This is the number of users, and this is the amount of Very. Average approximately 5,000 Very per user, right? That's what's up. So I'll be here to update you guys on any subsequent development about the project as soon as I get the wind of it, right? So in the meantime, if you're not already mining, I'll leave you my invite link in the pinned comment so you can jump on and register and start mining. Thanks, and do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.